Unlock maximum earnings in Hamster Kombat by connecting your crypto wallet. Let's get you set up. First, launch Hamster Kombat within Telegram. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the main menu or settings. Tap it. A screen will pop up showing you different wallet options. Popular choices include Tonger, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. Choose the wallet you prefer. For this example, let's go with Tonger. Your chosen wallet app will open, asking for permission to connect to Hamster Kombat. Review the permissions carefully. Select Connect to allow Hamster Kombat to access your wallet. You will be redirected back to Hamster Kombat, and a confirmation message should appear, indicating your wallet is successfully connected. Now you can enjoy all benefits of a connected wallet. Connecting your wallet unlocks a new world of possibilities. Access exclusive features and boost your in-game earnings. This can often include claiming airdrops of HMSTR tokens in the future. Now that you're all set with your connected wallet, which earning strategy resonates with you most? If you choose to use Tonger and think this tutorial helped, like the video. If you love finding tips like this to level up your play, hit subscribe. If maximizing your airdrop potential speaks to you more, leave a comment. And if this made you smile, give it a like.